To remove Google left swipe in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open a Google Play Store on your device. We'll need to download a third-party launcher to remove it, as normally it's not possible to do. So we're gonna go for a search, then type in Nova Launcher, and then we have Nova Launcher right here. We can open it and or in your case probably download it, and when you open it you will get the first setup. You just need to set Nova Launcher as your default launcher app, and then it should work fine. As you can see, our entire interface changed. So now if we swipe to the left, we don't get Google, but instead we get this. So to also remove this screen, you will need to open Nova settings and then go into the feed page and deactivate this button, show before first page. If you go back and swipe to the left, as you can see, nothing opens. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.